Hello students, now I am going to circle chapter. First, we observe what is the circle. A circle is actually collection of all points within a plane found at a fixed distance, which is referred to as radius from fixed point or center. Here we observe this is the plane. This is the plane. Okay. A collection of points. Collection of points moving in a plane. At a fixed point distance to these all points. Is form a circle. Here fixed point is called center and fixed distance is called radius. Here we observe fixed point. Fixed point is called center. Fixed distance is called radius of circle. Okay. Now we observe center. Center is the fixed point at which every point on the circle is equidistant. Radius, distance from the center to any point on the circle is called radius. Next one, diameter. The longest chord of the circle passing through the center. Here we observe chord. What is the meaning of chord? A chord is a joining of two points on the circle is called chord. For example, this is the point A, this is the point B. Joining these 2 points is called chord. This is the circle. This is the circle. On the circle, infinite points lies on. We take any 2 points A and B on the circle. This is the center C. If joining these 2 points on the circle AB is called chord. Here we observe another figure. This is the circle. This is the center. And here we take point A. Here also we take point B. If AB is a chord and passing through center of circle is called diameter. In this diagram, AB is a diameter of the circle because AB, that means chord. A chord passing through center of circle is called diameter. Here we observe AC and CB is radius. Therefore, diameter D equal to CA means R, CB means R. So, R plus R, that means 2R. So, diameter is twice of the radius. Twice of the radius. So, D equal to 2R. Next one, circumference. It is the perimeter or boundary of the circle. Okay. Therefore, circumference of circle is C equal to 2 pi R. This is the circle. Circumference means this is the perimeter of the circle. That means this is the perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle is called circumference. So circumference C equal to 2 pi R. Next, We know the chord. Already we discussed chord. Next one is secant. What is the meaning of secant? Any line that intersect the circle at 2 points is called secant. That means here we observe secant. Okay, this is the circle. If line intersecting 2 points on the circle is called secant. So this is the circle. We take 2 points A and B on the circle. If a line intersecting these 2 points on the circle is called secant. Next one, tangent. Any line that touches the circle at only one point, the point is called point of tangency or point of contact. If a line touches the circle at only one point is called tangent. This is the tangent line. And here P is called point of contact. Point of contact. Next, arc. A part of the circle's circumference. The length of an arc can be calculated with the following formula. Length of an arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, next, minor arc. The shortest arc connecting 2 points is called minor arc, and longer arc connecting 2 points is called major arc. Next one, sector. The region bounded by two radius and the corresponding arc. It is like a pizza slice of the circle. The sector is also divided into two parts. Sector means this is the circle, this is the center. We take any 2 points on the circle. This is the A, this is the B. If you draw, this is the arc 1, this is the arc 2. Okay, join center C to A and to B. This is the sector. Therefore, ABC is a sector. And also ACB also sector. Here highlighted region is minor sector. Remaining white region is major sector. Highlight region is minor sector. Next one is segment. The region bounded by a chord and the corresponding arc. The segment are also two types. This is the circle. We take two arcs, here A and here B. Joining these two arcs, you form a chord. Okay. Here we observe major segment. Region corresponding to chord and major arc. That means highlight region is minor arc. That means region corresponding to chord and minor arc. This is the minor arc place. Remaining white place is major arc. Major arc of area. So this is the major segment. This highlight region is minor segment. Minor segment. Okay. Next one. Here we observe part of a circle. We know the radius figure, and this is the sector. Already discussed with sector. This is the segment. This black region is minor segment.